Hi YouTube. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you how to replace a spark plug and a coil in a Mercedes ML350 2007. The tools that you're gonna need are a reversible ratchet handle with a 5/8 head, any tool that has a T30 head. This one's gonna be used for the spark plugs and this one's gonna be used to remove the coils.
Now you're gonna need a deep 5/8 socket in order to reach the nut without hitting the spark plug first. You can always opt for removing a battery cable, which you can find on the upper left corner, before replacing the coils and spark plugs by just unscrewing this slunk shaped nut. What you need to do is remove this cover, put it on the side, and then remove the air, both of them, put on the side, and then third step, there's a clip right there. You can see you're gonna have to unclip this whole cover, which contains the air filter, and put it on the side as well. Now you can see the coils from 3 from the left side, 3 from the right side, because it's a 6-cylinder car. Usually in most of Mercedes Benz you can count them, you can start counting from the passenger side 1, 2, 3, and then continue from the driver's side 4, 5 and 6. So in my case, the coils that I need to replace are number 2 right here and number 6 right there. I made sure of that by scanning the car. So I got 2 coils, and basically the same way to replace the first is gonna be used to replace the second. So by showing you how to replace one of them, you're gonna figure out how to replace all the rest. There are basically 2 steps in order to remove the coil. First thing you're gonna have to do is remove this plastic silver part carefully without breaking it, in order to be able to pull out the socket. And then the next thing to do is unscrew these 2 T30 bolts. You gotta be careful not to drop the bolt. Now that I got out the bolts, you just give it a little twist. And there it is. That's the coil that you need to replace. Now underneath the coil you can find the spark plug. Now time to unscrew the spark plug. Now I'm gonna use this plier to pull out the spark plug. There's the old one. Now I'm gonna replace it. Now you just gotta make sure this side goes down, and you just drop it in the hole. And after that, using the same tool, you tighten it without using too much force at the end. Go easy on it. And now I'm just gonna plug the new coil. Just like that. Yep, that's it. And we're gonna put back the bolts. I'm just gonna return the socket Just make sure you keep pushing until you hear the click. I'm gonna use both hands. Yep, there it is. And then just push this gray thing back the way it was end up. There it is. Now last but not least, we gotta put back the air filter cover. Just make sure, put it back in the way it was. Put back the clip on until you hear the click. And then put back the air hoses. After putting back the air hoses, now the last step is to just put back this plastic cover on the engine, make sure it's tight. And ladies and gentlemen, that's how you replace a coil and a spark plug for a Mercedes ML350 2007.